Welcome to the dawn of a new era in filmmaking. Today we step into the future where imagination meets technology to create something truly extraordinary. We are about to resurrect a lost world, the forgotten green planet, using the revolutionary power of AI 4.0 without ever touching a single physical camera. This process integrates advanced language models and generative visuals to build a cinematic experience that was once considered impossible for independent creators to achieve. Witness the remnants of ancient wonders as we peel back the layers of time on this mysterious world, hidden within the depths of the digital cosmos. Our journey begins with the forgotten green planet, a testament to what is possible when human creativity is amplified by the sheer power of artificial intelligence. Prepare yourself for a deep dive into the workflow that is changing the film industry forever, turning every dreamer into a world-class movie director today. Every great film starts with a soul, and in the AI era, that soul is born from a carefully crafted prompt within powerful large language models. By conversing with AI, we can build rich lore, character motivations, and intricate plot points that serve as the solid foundation for our surreal cinematic masterpiece. Watch as raw text descriptions evolve into visual concepts, bridging the gap between a simple idea and a structured storyboard ready for the next production phase. Structure is vital. Our AI assistant helps analyze the rhythm of the story, ensuring that every shot is optimized for the visual generation tools we use. The AI optimizes the scene descriptions, adding technical details about lens choice and lighting conditions to ensure the final output feels like a big-budget production. With a detailed script in hand, we have the roadmap needed to navigate the vast possibilities of the AI landscape and create something truly breathtaking tonight. Now we enter the realm of Nano Banana, the ultimate key to achieving hyperrealism. This is where our words finally transform into stunning high-definition visual imagery. Notice the incredible level of detail in the weathered stone and the way the golden light catches the edges of the ancient carvings in this scene. Nano Banana allows us to iterate rapidly, testing different lighting scenarios and atmospheres until we find the perfect mood that matches our script's emotional core. The AI handles complex textures and intricate bioluminescent lighting with ease, creating a sense of touch and presence that makes the alien world feel entirely real. By focusing on small details like dust particles and light scattering, we can evoke a sense of history and scale that defines the cinematic surrealism style. Behold the scale of our creation. Every mountain peak and river bend is generated with a level of precision that rivals traditional high-end concept art studios. Each generated frame is a work of art, providing the high-quality assets we need to transition into the most exciting phase, bringing this world to life. It is time to breathe life into our still images. We upload our masterpieces into Sora 2 and Veo 3.1 to unlock the power of motion. We have total control over the physical dynamics. By adjusting these parameters, we define how the camera moves and how the environment reacts to its surroundings. Sora 2 excels at understanding physical laws, allowing water to flow and mist to rise in a way that looks completely natural to the human eye. Consistency is the holy grail of AI video. Sora 2 ensures that our ancient temples don't morph or warp as the camera moves through the scene. Veo 3.1 provides the cinematic smoothness we need for sweeping aerial shots. Capturing the grandeur of the planet with the grace of a professional pilot. We can even defy physics. Watch as water flows upward, creating a surreal and dreamlike atmosphere that defines the unique identity of this forgotten green world. Floating islands and drifting ruins become possible. The AI simulates the gentle weightlessness of these massive structures, making the impossible look undeniably real and tangible. Biological movement is also perfected. These creatures move with a weight and grace that makes the ecosystem of the planet feel alive and teeming with mystery. Every frame is now a living, breathing window into another dimension, setting the stage for the final polish that will bring everything together into a film. The final stage is where the magic is refined. We move into the AI video editor, a powerful tool that streamlines the entire post-production workflow. Color grading is handled with natural language. We simply ask for a moody, ancient aesthetic, and the AI instantly applies professional-grade cinematic color palettes. Editing becomes rhythmic and intuitive. The AI identifies the beats in our soundtrack and aligns our most impactful shots to create a perfect cinematic flow. Transitions that used to take hours are now generated in seconds, allowing for seamless storytelling that keeps the audience immersed in the world we've built. To enhance the film look, we add subtle layers of organic grain and textures, bridging the gap between digital perfection and the warmth of traditional cinema. Anamorphic lens flares and volumetric lighting are added with precision, creating depth and a sense of atmosphere that pulls the viewer deeper into the screen. Sound design is the final touch. AI generates and layers sound effects that perfectly match the physics and scale of every movement in our film. Within minutes, our vision is rendered and ready. The complex world of the forgotten green planet is now a complete, high-quality cinematic reality for all. The result is a breathtaking journey through a world that never existed, brought to life through the boundless creativity of the AI 4.0 production process. The limits of storytelling have been shattered. Start your own cinematic journey today and redefine what is possible.